today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on this hair that's in my head right now. So I'm currently wearing a 22-inch 13x4 360 wig, loose wave. I have to say that slow, girl, because that's a lot. But loose wave wig from Original Clean Hair. So this is just the box that it comes in. That's the box. I need a thumbnail. Anyways, so yeah, it's 100% human hair, and as I was saying, it's 100% human hair. The type is Brazilian. I believe it's a 180 density. Let me show y'all the back. So this is just the back of it. As you can tell, it's pretty frizzy, like just a little or a lot of it frizzy, which is just probably like the texture. I mean, it's not the worst texture, but it's not the best. It comes with a standard frontal, so this is the frontal that I got, and yeah, I laid it myself, so hopefully it looks good on camera. I don't know, but it was a standard frontal, so I just laid it to the best of my ability to what I feel like it should look like, because I don't usually look at whether I'm picking standard or, you know, whatever kind of lace, but since it was sent to me, I kind of obviously took it as it was. Yeah, so for the most part, like I said, this is Brazilian, so I did notice like most of the textures that I would buy, it is a bit softer, and it is kind of black. I mean, it's like a little bit of a natural brown, but not really. So that's how you can kind of tell it's Brazilian hair. But there aren't any strands of orange that I can see right now in my hair. So like any other strands to basically signify that it's synthetic. Yeah, so I basically just did the cap method to install it. So I just like did the ball, you know, cap method, and then put the wig right over top. One thing I did notice though, when I was cutting the lace, I cut off like a lot of lace, so I don't really have much frontal. I believe the frontal stops about right here, so I have about that much frontal left. My nail is burnt. Don't look at that, sis. But anyways, so yeah, I'll definitely be sure to leave the 10% code down below and the links and all that good stuff for y'all to get it. I'm definitely gonna be doing an update too, but like I said, I'm pretty sure like if I just keep on applying water, and I just apply water and mousse to it, and this is what I got. I'm gonna show y'all one more time. This is what it was looking like with just the water and mousse. So like I said, it is like not the best quality. Sorry, it's my lamp back there. It's not the best quality, but it's absolutely not the worst. And the ends, they're pretty full. I mean, this is only a 22-inch, so the ends don't start looking like thin and ugly until you get to like 24, 26 type. So yeah, it's not really too much to say. The thickness is good. My little hairstyle ain't working out. I'm trying to keep my little pins together, but yeah, you can really part. Here, I don't want to take my hair down. I'll do it at the end, but I'll show you like that you can literally part a frontal however, whichever. And then I just cut these baby hairs myself. It didn't come with baby hairs, so what I did was I just parted some hairs out, cut them down, and then, you know, I applied Got To Be and mousse to style and get it together. So yeah, next I'm probably gonna do an update on this hair in about, like, I want to say 3 weeks to a month. I know I always say I'm going to do updates and I never do, but I promise you guys I'm going to get an update out on this hair. I just want to get this out to let y'all know, for the most part, I'm going to give this hair like a 7.5 out of 10, just because the quality isn't the best. I'm just keeping 100 with y'all. Like, I could tell, you could tell, if you know, you know. So the quality isn't the best, but it's not the worst hair. Like I said, it's pretty thick. The frontal was good. I mean, it was just a standard frontal, but it's still, I still was able to lay it, you know, I have it melt with my skin. So if you really know, you know, how to maneuver and manipulate the lace, then you won't really have too many issues, you know, as far as that. And then I mean, I don't want to say I plucked a lot, but I did pluck more than usual. So just make sure that you keep in track or paying attention to how it's gonna look on your head. So if you're the type of person to customize on a head, if you're gonna use this wig, make sure, I would say, just to put it on your head because it already comes plucked. But sometimes you do have to go over it. But I would just say, just put it on your head so that you can see first, because you don't want to end up with like bald spots and girl. So yeah, so by the way, this was sponsored, so just so people know, I know usually when people do sponsor videos, they get on here on this bitch and cat for real, but I'm just keeping it 100 with y'all. I mean, if you want, I believe, well, I don't know how much it retails for, so like I said, I'll have it in the description, but I'm sure it won't be too much. And I also, like I said, I have a discount code for you guys to use. But just keep in mind that if you like more like brown silky hair types, it's probably gonna be Malaysian or Peruvian. This is definitely Brazilian. You can tell just by the quality and just the texture of it. Just in the light, you see how it looks as though I've had the wig for some time and I literally just took it out the box. That's the Brazilian texture to it. It's kind of frizzy. It's just a little, I mean, it's just under quality than Malaysian or Peruvian, which is mostly of what, you know, you might see the higher end weave companies wearing, the, you know, the raw Indian and whatnot. But this is a pretty good affordable hair type, and it's pretty thick, and this is only what, day 2, so I don't have a lot of shedding at all. So for the most part, I would recommend it if you just want like a cute simple wig, like something that you can throw on every day and be versatile with. And then actually, I'm gonna take it down. I'm just gonna show y'all the parts. So I'm gonna show you guys the parting. I'm just gonna take my hair out the pins really fast. So boom. So I'm just gonna use a clip because I didn't feel like going to go grab my comb. But this is the parts. So as you can tell, that's what that looks like. And then that's, I'm not sure if it goes all the way back. I don't think so. Nope. See this part of the frontal is where it gets short, and it's just like, who wants that short of a frontal? But I mean, I guess I did cut off pretty much of a lot of my lace. It was a 13x4, but it was more lace than like actually hair on it. So if you can see, it kind of stops about right there. So it's about that much lace after you're done cutting like the you know, all the excess lace. But like I said, it pretty much, I mean, once you bleach the knots pretty good, it'll match with your skin tone, and then you can always go over with makeup if you feel the need to. So I'm just gonna leave my hair like this, obviously. But yeah, so like I said, this is, here, I'll give you guys another one. So yeah, that's it for this hair for today. That's all I have on the video. But I'm just gonna give you guys another look at the frontal because I did try my best on that. So if I wanted to wear it like that, or you know, whatever I eventually decide, or just a simple little middle part. But I give this hair, like I said, like a 7.5. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with the review very soon. And be sure to click the description box for all the details on where to get the hair and where to get the discount code. Follow my social media links, and peace. Bye.